Collect information about a target website using Firebug. Open Firefox and open google.com in it and search get Firebug. It will show you result of get Firebug query. You can get Firebug by using this link addons.mozilla.org. Just click on add to Firefox. It will install, it will integrate to your Firefox. You can see compatibility information of Firebug. Please make sure your Firefox is compatible with this version of Firebug. So here I will show you demonstration of Firebug. You can see this Firebug icon, just click on it. It will be activated. Now you can see symbol has been changed. Now just search Microsoft.com. Click on Firebug icon for Microsoft.com. You can see console panel is disabled. Just click on enable. The console panel offers a JavaScript command line. List all kind of messages and offer a profiler for JavaScript commands. You can see errors, warning, info, debug info, cookies. Here you can define command as discussed. Now the CSS panel. The CSS panel manipulates CSS rules. It offers options for adding, editing and removing CSS style of the different files of a page containing CSS. It also offers an editing mode in which you can edit the content of the CSS file directly via a text area. The HTML panel displays the generated HTML XML of the current opened page. Now net panel is disabled, just click on enable. Net panel purpose is to monitor HTTP traffic initiated by a web page and present all collected and computed information to the user. Here you can see IP address, port number information for this link. You can see TTL value, time information to reach to the particular web link, size information is also available. Now script panel is disabled. Script panel debugs JavaScript code, therefore The script panel integrates a powerful debugging tool based on features like different kind of breakpoints, step-by-step execution of script, a display for the variable stack, watch expression and more. Now click on cookies, enable it. Now you can see cookies information. Export cookies for the site. Export all cookies for the current website as a text file. It will ask you for text file. Just save it. So hope you understand how you can use Firebug to debug website for JavaScript, for scripting, for HTML code. Thank you for watching this video.